All right, guys, you making my dreams come true, Hall and Oates. Let's take a listen. What I want, you got, but it might be hard to handle, and so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this, all the way through. I teach you the whole keyboard part, plus the little funky bass line in there on webpianoteacher.com. It'll work on your phone, your tablet, your desktop, whatever you want to do. Fast trimming for everyone. I even have beginner lessons. If you need a refresher course or you're completely starting from zero, and I'll give you that link when you sign up for a membership, which lessons are the beginner lessons. They're on there, but give you a little help finding them. All right, so here we go. This is not on the hired request list. It's just one I'm throwing in there for fun, which I will do. Hired request list is going great. Just throwing in a quick, easy one. I have a electric piano and harpsichord layered sound. Sort of gives us that 80s keyboard, little bump, bump. And it's got chorus and reverb on it to help out a little bit. We're going to start with the right hand, F, C, F. All right, we're just going to go bump, bump. That's it, to start with. And right here we have F, B flat, and F with 1, 2, 5, going to C. All right, these Fs are in parentheses because we don't play them the first time. We're going to play a total of 3.5 times. I'll explain that. But the first time we just go bump, bump. Then the left hand comes in with a super low F on your 5th finger. And play staccato. Don't use pedal on this at all. You'll ruin it. Then right hand. Now we're going to go ba ba. Now I have those connected with the curved line because they kind of go together. Ba ba. Left right. Then it goes the low F, higher F with the thumb. Then the right hand, F, B flat, F to C. Da, da, da. So we have 1 and 2, and it's important that you feel that downbeat before you start. Go 1 and 2 and 3. There you go. That was one time. Do it real slow. Or say 1 first. 1 and 2 and 3. Then the second time. Here's the second time. But the second time we're going to now do this. So bop bop. So we play this now the second time. See, da 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 for the second time. Now the third time, let's do it again. We play this again. But as we're going through the 4th time, it's not a complete 4th time. That's why it's 3.5. So here's the half part. Stop at the asterisk. That's what I put an asterisk up there. So you stop that time. So we go 1 and 2. Second time. Third time. Half. What I want, you got. All right, so he's getting up there, man. He's singing those C falsettos. Awesome. Really takes you back, doesn't it? So now we're going to start where the singing starts. What I want. But after you hit the asterisk, what I want, there's a little break there, okay, some rests. And then da-da-da, then you come in. Now this time there's less holes in the rhythm as far as the left hand goes. You just go low F, high F. Sometimes I like to go hit that thumb 2 times. Maybe the pinky 2 times, just whenever you feel like it, So if you feel like da 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 da, or just want to stay simple. Sounds complicated enough already, doesn't it? So we go bottom, then together, then bottom, then the thumb by itself, together. Now these are faster, that's why I put the curved line there. They're faster. Da 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 da. Left, right, right. You get it going. Da da da. Okay, fun stuff. And then it goes from there. But that's just to get you started there. I do all the lessons for this, webpianoteacher.com, guys, and I have thousands and thousands of lessons on there. Man, just any song you could probably think of. Oh, I'd like to play that. It's probably on there because Been doing this for 12 years online. Been teaching for 30 years. So a lot of music that I've taught, a lot of music to go to teach you guys in the future. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll talk to you later.